So today I'm going to explain about one of the examples related to the do while loops. Okay. So how to use these options in do while loops. Okay. So the examples means program. Okay. The program something like that. Okay. Examples program examples like that. Like so when I press first the user. Ask, do you want to continue, do you want to continue, yes or no. Okay, so you'll get the option yes or no. The user will select yes. If user will select if user will select if user will select yes. Okay, then the following the following option will be shown. Okay, then our so we have a different options like one. When I click one, so it is going to display what it is going to display addition of two numbers. So when I click two, okay, so it is going to display subtraction. Something like that. When I click three, it is going to display multiplications of or multiply, you can say multiplication. When I place 4, it's going to divide the division. So in this way we can do for the any other operations also, like remainder operations or any other operation. Okay. Okay, so when the user is clicking n, it is going to stop. Okay, so how to use these concepts using the do while loop. Okay, so this is some interesting thing. Okay, we'll be discussing step by step. Okay, so now I'm going to start with my dev programming. So, okay, just click on the file. Okay, go to the new, and inside new there is a source file. Okay, first I'm going to save my file. Okay, save as, save as. Okay, save as my file. Okay, and so I can give the any name of the files. So I can give the any name of the file, like I can give the calculations, any name, any name, and the extension is going to be changed. Is it's a C programming, so you save in C programming. Okay, sorry. So now I'm going to include. Okay, I'm going to use my library functions. So this is my standard input output library functions. This is for the printf as well the scanf function. Okay, so my options are what. So I'm going to show you step by step. It will be easy, and then and you can easily catch up. If you have any query, just comment. Comment sections is there. Okay, you can comment there. Okay, so the first is I'm just writing op operator, just a variables, one variables is there. Okay, I'll show you the step by step. So now I'm going to use the do while loop. Okay, so in do while loop we have to write the condition at the last. Okay, so op is not equals to, okay, the single quotation is there. If op is not equals to some value, if it is no, it is going to stop your program. Okay, so the first task is what. So first what I do so far. So first the user will ask. Okay, just I'm writing that printf. Okay, so just they will ask, do you want to continue, do you want to continue, do you want to continue, yes or no. Okay, either we can use lowercase or uppercase. It's up to your requirement how you want the things. Okay, just I'm writing this ones. Okay, so it's a beauty of code, so we can modify in different way. So I'm just give the user input because this is a character. Just I'm using that percentage C. Okay, and then because this is a user input value. So so you have to give the respective value, yes or no, whatever the value. Okay, so it will be asked whether it's okay. So if you want to know that you want to run this program, yes. So we have no any option so far. Just when I click yes, there is nothing there, only yes. If you want to press no, then it is going to stop. Okay, it is something like that. So first I start with yes or no. Okay, until unless the condition is false. Okay, okay, that time it is going to stop your programs. Okay. Okay, so now the my second task is when I click something, okay, it is going to give something. Okay, so it is so when I click something, so before, so just I'm writing one conditions there. If op, so when it is equals to, when it is yes, if user want to continue, if when it is yes, okay, then what happens, user want to perform some operations. Okay, some arithmetic operation they want to perform. Okay, so before it so they want to perform some operations. Okay, so just I'm going to use the while conditions, and we have a different four options out there. Okay, so for this also I'm going to use one more of operate variables, like I'm just writing ch, any variables I'm going to use. Here we are. Okay, the first step is what, first we have to, so when the user print, okay, so he or she will get the options like the, when I click once, it is going to display what, so it is going to display one for what, one for additions, whatever you can add, you can add or addition of two numbers, or add of two numbers, it's up to you how you want to use these things. Okay, okay, slash ends. Okay, similarly I have another shocking for subtractions, so just I'm writing subtract. Okay, subtract. So if you under, you can change into subtraction also, so you can write anything. Okay, so this code is so flexible. Okay, only the logic is important. Okay, so similarly I have another multiply slash n. So I am writing slash n, so getting a new line, so for that purpose I am writing the slash n. Okay, similarly I have the options number 4. Okay, so in this way I have so many options I can add. Okay, just I'm making few of the options. Okay, so I want to make this is the additions. Okay, additions. Additions. Okay, addition, subtraction, subtract or subtract, subtract, multiply, and these. Okay, these are the options I have written so far. Okay, so we can see step by step what the things are going for this. Okay, so I'm getting the options, something like that. So the user can choose these options that they want, one or two or whatever thing. Okay, just I'm writing one message, enter your choice. So user can choose either 1, 2, 3, whatever they want. Okay, so based on the user input, it is going to perform those operations. So just I'm using the user input values. Okay, and then just writing what and which operators you want to do. Okay, just user input values, it's an integer one, that's a percentage. Okay, so user want the values. So I have done so far. Okay, now I'm going to pass these values into the switch. Okay, because they want to perform different operations. So which variable I need to pass? I need to pass ch is my current variables. According to this, I'm going to perform different operations. Like I'm just typing case one. Just I'm trying the one. Okay, okay, and it is going to okay. Just I'm writing the message like. If you want to give the curly bracket, it's far better if you will get any kind of fields, but it's not mandatory. Just try to enter the I want that user input values a and b. So this message for understanding. This is not mandatory. You have to write this message. Okay, you can write it. So main thing is what, main thing is our scanf. Okay, we can perform the scan, something like that. Okay, so I have two variables. Okay, just I'm calling that variables one by ones. Okay, so I want to perform some operations. So first I need to define so whether I have declared the two variables a and b. If not, then we will declare the two variables. So I'm just declaring two variables a comma b, and I see for the result. Okay, so I have considered here integer variables. If you want, you can perform, you can take the floating numbers or double numbers, whatever numbers you have, it's up to you. So just I want to perform the addition of these numbers. Okay, just so simply I have done this one. Okay, so you want to display your result. Okay, just you have to write percentages. Okay, you want to write any message? Yes, add sum of or add of sum of two numbers, two number is or are whatever you can write. Okay, it's your requirement. Okay, it's not mandatory to write these things. Okay, just I'm writing the message. It's okay. So we have to finally print the variables. Which variables we have so far? I have the see the variables, and finally I'm going to use the break. Just one. So this is the concept for the case A. Similarly, I have a case 2. Okay, and then just opening bracket and the closing bracket. Okay. Similarly for the case theories. Okay, just I'm writing. Only the main point is how the loop will be going to repeat. Okay, I've written there. I have 4 operations. Okay. At last we can perform the default. Okay, if you want to write anything in the default, otherwise not required. Okay. Default things. If you want to display something, write something. Otherwise, this is things on it. Okay. So I want to complete first this one. So we just copy and paste. While we are wasting our time, just copy and paste. Okay. Copy and paste. So enter the value instead of m a plus b, I'm just writing a minus b. So just I'm writing subtraction or subtract of these two numbers. Okay. Similarly, I'm going to write for this one. So instead of this, I'm writing multiplications, multiply or multiplication. Whatever you get as a message, it's up to you. You have to write that one. Okay. Similarly, I'm going to write for this one also, and just writing 8 divided by. If you want to calculate remainder or anything, you can add any number of options will be there. Okay. Just I'm using the integer value. If you want to use any float number, you can write. Okay. If you want to write anything inside this, you can write. Otherwise, leave it blank. Okay. So now I'm going to check whether what are the things are done so far. Okay, just I'm going to check one by one. So now I'm going to close my loops first. I want to check. So this is switch. I want to work for this. So line number 15. So we have to close somewhere. Okay, so this is for the switch, this is for the while loop. So just I'm telling that. So I have only how many options are there? So I have only options. So I have only 4 options are there. So just I'm writing the condition if it is less or equals to 5. Okay, or if it is not equals to 5, you can see. So CS value twice value is up to 4. Okay. So otherwise we can say if choice is not equals to 5 or some other anything we can give. Okay, if choice one is yes, so when it is 5 is so the condition is going to mismatch, then it is going to print you some result. So this is my closing, and we can see what are the things are going. First we check what are the errors are going. Okay, so we have to fix the errors. We have a closing. This is for the switch, this is for the while loop. We can check. Okay, we have a two while is there. Okay, one extra is there. Okay, just close that one, and then make sure that all the things are in proper way. Okay, so this is the while loop. Before we will return something. Okay, return default values. Okay, so while with ending statement. Okay, we have to see somewhere that something is missing. One while is there. Okay, one closing. Okay, one of the else is there. Okay, let's close something. Okay, so you want to continue? Yes, just I'm using the lowercase. If you want to use it, uppercase y letters you can. Okay, so first one is additions. Just I'm writing the add, say any integers values. Okay, just telling that the sum of two numbers are this, something like that. If you want to perform anything, multiplication, so press 3. Okay, so just I'm writing 5 into 90, any values, so it is going to display my result. Okay, if the value is more than twice, so we have only four options. If I'm going to write 6, so twice becomes what? So it is going to ask you want to continue. If you want to continue, press yes. Then again you want to perform the addition operations. Okay, whatever things. Okay, just I'm writing. Okay, so if you want to continue, okay, if you don't want to continue, just you can press out of the four options. So just I'm pressing 6, 7 or 5, whatever. I'm just pressing 6, okay, or 7. Okay, okay, so you want to continue. If you don't want, just press here. Okay, so in this way we can solve our problem. Okay, we can solve our this problem coding. Okay, so I have declared. So we can solve this problem in the so many ways. It's not that it's only one way. We can solve in so many ways. Just I'm writing the conditions. If it is yes, then only going to show the all the options. Okay, so I have written these are the cases. So these are the user input value and just I'm performing four operations. Okay, so in this way we can solve these problems. Okay, and then so if there is any kind of, okay, if there is any kind of issue related problems, okay, please subscribe my channel and leave your comments. Please subscribe my channel and leave your comments. So I'll be keep on update you, and I'll be add more programming. Okay, thank you so much.